Everybody wants a clean, healthy home, but mold loves to move in uninvited. Here are my top 5 mold cleaners you'll want in your arsenal. Let's jump right in. First up, RMR 86 Instant Mold Stain Remover. This one's a game changer, fast acting and powerful. Got tough stains on walls, got tough stains on floors. RMR 86 wipes them out almost instantly. Number 2, Concrobium Mold Control. If you want something non-toxic and eco-friendly, this is it. It not only kills mold, but keeps it from coming back for up to 6 months. Perfect for families with pets. Perfect for families with kids. Third is CLR Mold Mildew Stain Clear. A pro favorite, affordable, reliable, makes bathroom tiles look brand new. Number 4, Clorox Tilex Mold and Mildew Remover. It's bleach-based, so it disinfects and kills mold on contact. Just keep in mind, strong formula means strong odor. Open a window. And rounding out the list, Wet Forget Bathroom Cleaner. Super easy to use, smells like citrus. Perfect for regular maintenance in tubs, showers, and sinks. Remember, always protect yourself. Ventilate the space. For big mold problems, don't go it alone. Call in the pros like MDmoldTesting at MDmoldTesting.com. Stay healthy, stay mold-free.